Good morning, good morning. Look at that cute coffee I just made. Very nervous that I'm going to spill it, so I'm going to put it on the side. Oh my god, it's happened. Shit. How did it get all the way down there? Oh my god, it's literally filtering through to my makeup. This is probably the most tragic start to a vlog. As if I just said I don't want to spill it and then spill it. You know what? That was very unfortunate. You can still see it there. Oh my god, I need to go get another wipe. But I just bought this from Arket. I ordered it in the Arket sale. This was literally right there. Can you imagine if I'd have got coffee on this? Oh my god, I'd have been heartbroken. Okay, we're going to move those now. What a funny start to the vlog. You know what as well? I've been house sitting this week. Well, I've loosely mean house sitting. I mean, I live in the house and my parents have gone on holiday, so I've been looking after the house. Looking after the house, that's better. Apart from what just happened, literally as I turned on the vlog camera, so cheers to that. Welcome back to the vlog. Lovely coffee though. I literally just put some new coffee beans in my machine because I've run out of my North Star coffee beans. Not that any of you guys are particularly interested, but if you do happen to have a coffee machine and you are loosely interested in coffee beans, yeah, I put some new ones in that I got from Brighton, and from that one sip alone, I'm glad I bought the coffee bag, the coffee beans in the bag. Sorry, I'm listening to a helicopter. I don't know if you can hear it. Welcome back to the vlog, guys. I got some lovely... I'm gonna shut the window, 2 secs. Okay, I'm back. Yeah, I got some lovely... I was gonna say feedback, but that sounds well too worky. I got some lovely messages to say like, oh my god, you're back vlogging. So I was like, oh, I need to do another one now. But here she is. She's back in full swing. No, I'm not really. I don't want to commit to like vlogging every single week or anything, but because my parents are away, they're back actually tonight, so I probably should have started this vlog earlier. But I thought, you know, I'm going to use this free day to vlog, and I thought it could be like a nice little housey vlog. Could pretend that I own the house for a bit, you know. I am working today, by the way. This is like my lunch break. I thought I can vlog after work because the weather is just lovely. It is honestly so nice at the minute. It's like light sunshine even when I'm going to bed at like 10 o'clock at night. So if you do enjoy this vlog, be sure to like it and subscribe. I started reading this last night. I mentioned in my last vlog that I was gonna start it, and I did start it last night. I've finished Stranger Things now. I'm waiting for volume 2, series 4. So I'm sat patiently waiting. So whilst I'm sat patiently waiting, I have just been watching like the trailer on repeat, but then I was like, let's do something productive with our time. So I've started this, and I mean, I'm on chapter 3 already. I only started it last night. That's good going for me. I'm a pretty slow reader. I'm intrigued. It's a good start to the book. So yeah, I also ordered a few books, which, I mean, fingers crossed, they should be arriving today actually. I'm hoping to get a little reminder email from Amazon. Yeah, I should be getting some books today from Amazon. I ordered 2, and the reason was I don't need any more books. You can't actually see them, or you can vaguely see them there. I've got a little pile of books and most of them I haven't read. I've got like a little to read pile. I literally don't need any more like to read because I've got enough. But me and my friend went to a bookshop that we absolutely love, like a little independent bookshop at the weekend, and we've just both picked up this book, and it was by Meg something. Anyway, you might recognise one of them was called You Be Mother. I feel like that's pretty popular. Anyway, we picked up this book, read the blurb, and we were both like, oh my god, we need this in our life. But we decided against it because we were being sensible, and then when I got back home I was like, I can't stop thinking about the book. So I ordered it. And yeah, so I've got 2 books coming today, which I'll show you if they arrive. Yeah, I was just like, I need to get back into the swing of reading, so I thought I'd start that. Also, before we actually get into this vlog, I do want to say, I'm looking for a candle. I do want to say a massive thank you to everyone who commented or like messaged me about the candle situation last week. So I was upset because I couldn't get the black marks from the candle pot off, and then everyone just messaged like, why don't you just use a wipe? And I was like, why didn't I know that? Why didn't I just think? I thought that it was like stained on there. I don't know what I was thinking. But I will test your theory today. I've not done it yet. I've still been like burning the candle. So yeah, I'm gonna get my replica candle in a bit, and I'll just use a wet wipe, and I mean it's probably gonna work because literally everyone messaged me like, you need to do this, and I was like, right. So yeah, thank you for your words of wisdom and advice. See, this is the sort of life lessons that I've just not got, and that I need to brush up on my life skills. So yeah, I'm gonna stop chatting and get on with some housework. Hopefully that helicopter's gone now because it's super hot and I need all the windows open. Like, the windows have been open all week, all day every day. I have just been sent this from Zit Sticker. It says we should have sent cake, which made me laugh because this is a farewell party for all your Zit. Little PR package by the looks of it. Look at all this nice stuff they've sent. Thanks, Zit Sticker. This is a spot clarifying patch kit. Go Getter surface extraction dots. Oh my gosh, hydrogel exfoliating sheet mask. That sounds right up my street. And then a face map. Oh my gosh, this looks like another sheet mask. Exciting times, guys. I love the packaging, by the way. Loving the pastel colours. I wasn't expecting that, if I'm honest. So I was opening it like, what is this? I'm sure it can't be my books. Like, this box is not big enough for my books. So yeah, thanks Sticker. Excited to use those. I haven't shown you these yet. These are my peonies. They're looking a little bit dead actually, which I'm a bit gutted about because this one's not even fully bloomed yet. The rest are kind of halfway there. Some of them have fully bloomed, but they're looking a little bit like brown on the outside. But yeah, this is my little peonies vase. I've had these since my parents went away. I've just been looking after them like my little babies. This vase is from H&M Home, if you're interested. I think it was about 20 quid and I love it. I think it's gonna go with my new house decor. It doesn't really go with this decor, although I suppose it goes with anything, doesn't it? But yeah, I've been loving peonies this spring. This is my second bunch. Look how pretty, looks so cute. I've got some washing up to do. Washing up, I'm gonna wipe all the surfaces, make sure that the kitchen is all good to go. And yeah, in case you are interested in the coffee beans, these are the ones that I had in my coffee that I spilled earlier. They're called the Barn. I'm pretty sure you can get these all over. I think when I bought them I was like, this is a specific Brighton bean, whereas actually I've seen some like coffee shops in Leeds sell these, so I don't think they're that unique, but still really good. Got the wipe, got the candle. Oh my gosh, you can just wipe it away. It's not the easiest to remove, but it is coming away. Oh my gosh, I love that I was so blind to this method before. Thanks, guys. You see, what would I do without you? What would I do without you? I've still got a little bit of the candle left to burn, but when I've done that, when I've like used it up, I mean we're right at the end of the candle, there's not a lot left. But when I'm at the end of it, I'm gonna follow a TikTok video and like proper clean it out and then use it for storage. The only other thing that's not great about these candles, to say they're so expensive, is that the little, you know, like label on it always ends up peeling away. I think it's probably just because of the heat. I mean, it's still pretty sticky, but yeah, you know, like when you spend 40 odd quid on a candle and you just expect everything to be perfect. That's where I'm at. Anyway, I'm going to head to the shops just to grab some milk and bread. So look what I've just walked into. One of my little peonies is... Oh, is this normal for all of the petals to just fall out of the flower? Look at the mess. I had the peonies all nicely laid out. This is the current situation. I have taken my makeup off as well, which is why I look a little bit worse for wear. But yeah, I need to sort out this peony situation. It's after work now and I am currently watching Glow Up. If any of you guys have watched it or you're watching it this year, let me know in the comments. I watch it every single year. Yeah, I absolutely love Glow Up. It's so good. I'm just currently putting my hair back like that. I have been using this over the past couple of days. This is the Fresh Face Wash in Strawberry. It's so nice, honestly. My skin feels so smooth. Yeah, it's the exfoliating face wash. I don't really tend to use exfoliator. Sorry, I hate my hair like this. I'm having a bad hair day today. It's just It's not the one. Yeah, I never really use exfoliator, but I do think it has a really nice effect on your skin. I think it makes it feel so soft, so I've been loving that. I'm gonna put a bit of the Pixie Glow Tonic on. I've been using the Saint Tropez face drops, which I shared in last week's vlog, with my serum. And then I've also been using this SPF. This is the Glossier SPF 30. There it is on the side. So I'm gonna bob a bit of that on because I think me and Alex are gonna go for a walk tonight before my parents get back. It's such gorgeous weather. God knows what the temperature is, but it feels like, literally feels like 28 degrees or something. It's crazy warm. So yeah, we're gonna go for a little walk, just try enjoy the sun. I can't remember for the life of me if I shared with you my nails in the last vlog, but this is what they currently look like. I feel like they catch your eye because they're quite bright. I am obsessed with getting my nails done. That's what I've got this time. Quite a summer vibe. I'm getting them done again next week, probably next Tuesday I think it'll be. So if you've got any good nail inspiration, please let me know. I'm just bobbing a few of the tanning drops on. I just mix it in with a bit of serum, and then this is like my current everyday routine, and then I'll literally just end with a bit of SPF. I like to leave the face like tanning drops on for like a good 5-10 minutes before putting my moisturiser or SPF or whatever on, because I feel like then it sits, like proper gets stuck into my skin, and then the moisturiser goes on. So I think I'm going to end the vlog here for today. I feel like I've vlogged like 10 minutes today. I probably haven't. I always do this. I feel like I've not vlogged a lot, and then when it gets to editing the vlog, I'm like, oh my god, I've got so much content. This vlog's going to be like an hour. So yeah, I'm hoping I've got like more than what I think, because I can talk, she can talk. Yeah, I'm gonna go sort out that peony because the peony's distressed. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this little vlog. Sorry the Amazon parcel didn't arrive. I did get a message saying it's gonna like turn up today, so God knows when it's gonna arrive. But yeah, I will update you with the books on my Insta. You've probably already seen them by the time this vlog goes live. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed watching. Enjoy the sun, enjoy your week, and I'll see you soon. Bye.